Hey, this is Super Mario Nifty 4. Hey, this is Super Mario Nifty 4. Here with some stuff. Yeah. This is an update. Yep. So this update thing is pretty hard and stuff. So yeah. I'm gonna be doing new videos and stuff. So yeah. And I'm gonna be finishing some stuff. And I made my first t-shirt on Spreadshirt. You should go check that out.